Well and good people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Josephine. So if you're new here, you are very welcome, and if you're coming back for another time, thank you so much for clicking, and thank you so much for finding my videos valuable. So guys, this week I'm celebrating another milestone. I'm really so happy because first we hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel. Hello. And again, there is another huge milestone that I'm celebrating as a person because this have been a really it have been a very long trip, a very long journey that I've put my time, the energy in it, and this have been my very first week to have consistent profits on in Forex. Guys, in 3 days of trading this week I made more than $300. Hoo-hoo! And I mean $300. If you convert to Kenyan shilling, it is now at 120. That's some very good money to celebrate or even to make in 3 days. But you guys, I need to let you know that this journey, I started it in 2018, and it have been a long one. It have been a very long journey. I've tried to be very resilient, persistent, consistent in it, and guys, I can see it just coming to fruition. So guys, in this video, in this very video, I'm going to show you how I entered these trades, actually some of the trades, and of course I'll show you how much money I was able to make within the last 3 days of this week. So as I'm shooting this video, today is on 2nd of September. Of course it's a new month, guys. I really need to take you through this because I know so many of you have been trying to do this, and it's time that we celebrate. And of course, it's not too early for me to celebrate. I think it's a slight it's a slight accomplishment, of course, because it have taken me so long time, a very long time for me to be here. But I still think that I need to celebrate because for the past almost 5 years, I've not been able to come to this point where I am now. So guys, I'm gonna take you through these trades that I did during this week, and I'm so excited. I'm just so excited because I don't know what life is holding for me and what trading is holding for me. I can see myself going to greater heights. Of course, I know I'm feeling excited because I'm supposed to feel that. I mean, what else or how else am I supposed to feel? So guys, I'm gonna take you through this journey, and I'm pretty sure that you love the experience. All right, so let's do this. The strategy I used to enter this trade is another block, or rather supply and demand zone, and this was a US 30 trade, and of course you can see even the German 40 cash was behaving the very same way. But as we go deep into this explanation, I'll be able to explain to you why I took that trade and where. So guys, my first thing I do first when I'm looking for trades is to analyze the trend of a market, and the only way to start that is by looking at your monthly trend. So guys, as you can see here, we are on a down trade, so there is nothing else I would have done on this trade than to go short. So as you can see here, we are having these several countable few candles that are rejecting this trend line, and so I'm very much convinced that I'm doing nothing else than to sell this trade. So what I do after I identify this, I'll just go to my weekly or 4-hour time frame to be able to get my zones. And once I'm able to get my zones, that is where I'll be able to get my entry areas as well. And so what I do is just to sit back and wait for the market to come at that particular point or to that particular zone, and then I wait for a confirmation candle, and then I execute. So as you can see guys here, I was having a very long red candle, and that is what I needed to confirm that the market is now bearish. And so once I saw this, I knew it is time to enter the market. So guys, there is nothing sweet than when you come to like to your market, and then you find that you are blue. And so once I had this, I entered some few positions because I was 100% sure that my probabilities were true, were very correct. And then I just took some few trades and I just waited the market to go down. And as you can see here, I am almost getting to my TP. And then most probably what will happen when I get to my TP, the market will reverse and fight the other level of supply. And then I'm hoping that it might continue going down. Remember, trading is a game of probabilities. You can never be 100% sure where the market is headed, but with the good analysis, price action, and everything put together, you'll be able to identify the direction of the market, and yes, you'll be able to get home some profits. Now I've gone this trade into landscape mode so that you guys can see what really happened here, and it's nothing less than just what you can see. I mean, trading, it's just what you see. You trade what you see, not what you expect is coming or what have been there. It is what you see at that particular point. And as you guys can see, the market was respecting the zones that I have put together, and with that I was so confident that my trades will be very correct. So guys, as you can see here, I was able to gather some profits. I'm not having that very big account for trading that big because I first needed to get the confidence correct and have the right information before I deposited a lot of money. And as well, I really needed something somewhere I can be able to manage my mental and my physical emotions. And because of that reason, I decided that as I grow my account, and I think it's the best way to go. As you grow your account, you'll be able to grow. You'll be able to grow slowly with it. For those people who keep on asking which is the best strategy to use, I don't think there is any best strategy to use. The thing is just that you just come in the market, you find your niche, you find what works best for you, you follow all the rules, and with that you are able to find the best market. So guys, this is to prove to the people who believe this is not doable. It is so doable, and guys, we should just join hearts and try to do anything we can to make this workable. I think so many countries in Africa are doing very well when it comes to financial literacy, and I just think that we are somehow left behind. So with this information, I know I can be able to trade a lot of forex, a lot of stocks, a lot of so many things that I can be able to put together with the same chart details, because this applies to all markets. Anywhere that there is using candlesticks, any market that is using candlesticks, I can be able to use the scale and be able to win in those markets. So guys, with that few information that you can see, for the past 3 days, you can see I was able to make $326. Oh my goodness, this is not so wow, like it's so amusing. And as you can see, I was so blue, and where you can see red most of the times were withdrawals that I made. Although during these 3 days, I had two losses for only two trades. Guys, can you imagine? Like, this was really very remarkable for me, and I really do congratulate myself because that was just very remarkable of me. So what I've been having in the previous markets is that I've been losing so much. Mostly when I do deposits, I end up losing all the money on the trades, but this time it happened so differently. I think for the past 1 week, I watched a lot of videos, and I just happened to come to one random guy that I just happened to watch, and he talked so much into sense, and I put that together, and I decided I'm going back to backtest that, and to my favor, it did work out. So guys, if you're looking forward to being a profitable trader, let's do this together. Let's keep on gathering new information, let's back test it, and with that we'll be sure and guaranteed that eventually it will come to fruition. Another thing that I want to bring to your attention is that I have been using my phone to do all these things, and I basically don't have a laptop or even a computer. So guys, this is just to let you know, or maybe to remind you, that you just don't have to wait until when you have a laptop or even a desktop or even whatever it is that you need. For you who is asking, or maybe who's waiting to have a bigger screen, you can just start doing whatever it is that you can see with what you have. So apparently, even when I was making the other when I was making other losses, I was still using my phone. So guys, don't accept or don't allow to be hindered by the fact that you don't have a laptop or even a phone, a big phone. You can just use what you have. So far as you have a smartphone, you can choose to use your MT4 or MT5. I personally use MT5 because I also monitor other currencies and other stocks. So like the kinds of the Nasdaq US 30, I don't think okay, they are there at MT4, but I think for me I enjoy it most when I do it at MT5 because I think it have more features, and I wanted to explore all of them before I learned how to deal with the whole thing together. So guys, if you're having a smartphone, please don't excuse yourself. Kindly go ahead. If this is what exactly you want to do in life, let's do this together. I really want to see myself win and win and win, and have so many people come winning with me, and I just cannot wait. So guys, this was just a short video to motivate you and to tell you can do it with your phone. You can move forward. You can start doing it today. You can listen and watch and read so many ebooks and watch so many videos. Go ahead and backtest it, and until you find what works for you, that's the best. It will be the best time for you. So guys, let's do this together. Let's keep motivating each other. If you're there and you feel like you can offer a hand in helping someone do this, as in for me, I think I'll keep on doing this, and I know someone out there needs someone to help them go through this. If you can go ahead and help them. As in for me, I think I'll still keep on doing this until I'm in a position to be able to mentor someone. But as in for now, I'm just I'm just a small fish. I'm just a small fish, and I know eventually I'll be a big one, So guys, I'm now closing my positions because I've noticed that the market is now reversing. It did not hit my TP because it missed it with some few pips, like 2 or 3 pips, and because I was monitoring my trades. I know it is time to exit. So guys, you should be able to know when to exit, where to enter, because if you lose on this again, you'll be doing zero work. As you know, guys, these trades don't wait for anyone. So it's you to put your time together when you know it's time to exit your trade. Because for me, I know the time that I usually trade, and I know the time that I usually close my trades. So once I place my trades, maybe in the morning hours, at the New York session, I can leave my trades to play throughout the day, and then when it is around 5 to 7, that is when I come to check on my positions, and I know it's time to close them. However, even me knowing that, I still have to have a stop loss that is very valid and very reasonable, and I think that is another reason that enabled me this week to be able to make profits. So guys, I think those are the many things that you need to consider if you are able to manage your losses, and of course, if you are able to have great rewards positions, you'll be able to do this. So for me, I focus at a 1:2 ratio because I didn't want to go more than that. So that have been it. It have been such a hectic week for me to be able to do that. I must admit it have taken me every energy, everything in me to be able to maintain the discipline, to be able to enter those trades and maintaining those positions. And I've been watching some few YouTubers from Nairobi, Kenya, and I have learned something from them, although I have learned the whole thing myself, because I know we are many whereby we don't yet have that capacity to pay for a mentor or even a trainer. But all I believe is that if you put your time in it, if you commit yourself to do it, you'll ultimately achieve it. So guys, I'm really so happy. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So at this particular moment, I don't even have anything I can talk about these trades because I still believe that I'm in the process of learning, and I cannot wait for that day to come when I'll make $1,000 in a day, or even $10,000 in a day, because I believe it is possible. It is already in my mind. If I can conceive it, I know I will achieve it. It is just a process of learning, and especially psychologically, it is a process to be able to learn how to manage your finances mentally, psychologically. And guys, I cannot wait to see myself go through this journey. I know it have been so difficult, but I still believe, because I've come this far, I'll be able to do it. All right, so I still believe in myself, I still believe in the process, and I'll continue doing that. So I still hope that I'll be able to bring you some more content regarding forex trading. Wherever I fail or wherever I lose, it is a process of business, because trading is a business. For those people who say it is like betting, no, it is not, because first I'm investing time in it to learn, to discipline myself, to put patience in it. So guys, anybody who would say trading is betting, I totally disagree with them, because I've put a lot of time in it, and I can't help but to celebrate. All right. So guys, one thing I have learned for sure is to be able to manage my emotions, and that comes as a part of discipline. Guys, I don't know if I should be talking about this, because all this time that I've been trying to do this, I've been feeling like I'm not doing something right, or I'm doing everything wrong. And guys, it is just I think it is just a process of feelings, and that's where discipline comes in, especially if you still find that you have the energy to be persistent in doing whatever it is that you are doing. So guys, as in for me, I have been using actual money to trade, and I have really lost a lot of money. And the reason to why I decided to use my own money is because I knew if I used a demo account, I will learn everything, but there is one important thing that I will not learn. And the first thing is that I will not learn how to manage my emotions when it comes to money, especially when I'm losing, if I use a demo account. So I decided that I'll be depositing some small money in my account, that money that I know I can manage to lose. So I used to deposit that to my account, and I could lose and lose and lose and lose, and the following day I'm waking up and depositing some more money, and I did it. I'm not even giving up until now, because I cannot even be able to guarantee how the sales of how the trades of next week will be. So one thing I wouldn't recommend doing is okay, if you choose to use a demo account, it's okay. But there is one thing that you won't learn. You won't be able to manage your emotions when it comes to physical money, like your actual money. So that have been the biggest challenge that I've been having. And I think slowly with time, I'll be able to conquer that. Because I still feel like I'm halfway, like I feel like I have a lot to learn. And I know without doubt, I'll definitely make it there. Please excuse the noises coming from the background. I'm shooting this video at home. Yes, we shall go home. So let's keep doing this. So guys, let's keep winning, and I just hope that I'll be able to bring you more videos like this, and I just cannot keep calm. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video until this extent. I'm really excited and I'm so happy. It have just been a milestone, and wow, I'm just feeling like a winner, but I know I'm supposed to feel this way because I don't have anyhow I can feel. I'm just trying to manage my emotions so that by the time I'm having another trade, I'm calm and collected, so that I can be able to take some other money from the market. So guys, until next time, my name is Josephine, and ciao. Take care.